Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to register your hotel on Expedia. Getting your property listed on Expedia opens up your business to millions of travelers worldwide, making it a powerful tool for increasing bookings and visibility. Let's walk through the entire registration process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar where you'll find an option that says List Your Property. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll now be presented with different property categories. For a hotel registration, click on Lodging. This selection tells Expedia what type of property you're adding to their platform and ensures you get the right setup options tailored specifically for hotels. Next, you'll need to enter your property name or address into the search field provided. This helps Expedia identify whether your property already exists in their system or if you're creating a brand new listing. Once you've typed it in, click Next to proceed. On the following screen, you'll have the option to type your property name if you haven't already done so. This is where you'll also need to enter your complete street address, including the city, state, and zip code. Make sure all this information is accurate as it directly affects how guests will find and reach your hotel. After filling in these details, click Next. Expedia will now display a map showing your hotel's location based on the address you provided. Take a moment to verify the pin placement. If it's not quite right, you can drag the map to reposition the marker to where your hotel is actually located. Precise location data is crucial for guests using GPS navigation. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Confirm. Now you'll be asked to type your property name again for verification purposes. After that, navigate to the Property Type section and click the drop-down menu. From here, select the option that best describes your hotel, whether it's a boutique hotel, resort, motel, or another category. Next, enter the total number of rooms or units your property has available. This information helps Expedia categorize your listing appropriately and manage inventory accurately. You'll then need to enter the legal name of your property as it appears on official documents. This is important for contracts and payment processing. Following that, navigate to the Currency section and click the drop-down menu to select your preferred currency for transactions. As you continue, you'll encounter several questions about your property's amenities, policies, and features. Answer all these questions thoroughly and honestly as they help potential guests understand what your hotel offers. If your property has a website, enter the URL link into the designated field, then click Add. This allows guests to learn more about your hotel directly from your own site. Finally, once you've completed all the required fields and reviewed your information for accuracy, click Next to submit your hotel registration. And that's it. You've successfully registered your hotel on Expedia and taken an important step toward reaching more travelers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.